Hey guys, welcome back. So, today we are going to try to make a Space Invaders game. This is using Unity Playground. If you guys have not had any experience with Unity Playground, please check out one of my older videos. I'll put a link in the description. Okay, so first things first, let's go and get some images. You'll see there are some spaceships available already. I'm going to choose the red spaceship for the enemies. I need to rotate this. Let's rotate it around the Z-axis, 180. Cool, and scale it down. So, using the scale tool, just eyeball that. Say, maybe even a bit smaller. That's where it looks like in game view. Smaller. And I'm going to move it up to the top of the screen. That looks okay for now. I think that's kind of in the middle. About there. Okay, so what we'll do today is just get the ship moving. And for Space Invaders, the ships kind of tick to the left and right, so they move left to right. We don't have much flexibility, so in terms of increasing the speed as the game moves on, we won't be able to do that, but we will be able to at least get the ship moving from left to right. And I don't think we can get the ships moving downwards, so it's just going to be a left to right direction. So I'm going to select my spaceship and add component and choose the patrol script. Now that gives us a waypoint. So let's see what we can do here. So we're going to have a row of these ships. Okay, so what I want to do is just move this to the left. So I set my X value to 0. And on my patrol script, just add in the patrol script if you don't have it already, and we will just make it move one position on the X. So we're going to be very precise with this because we want all our ships to move equally and in unison. And I'm setting the speed to 1. So let's just press play and see what that looks like. Good, that looks good. And I'm going to do the same a few more times. Let's just create a bunch of ships, and what we're going to do is just increment each one by 2. Okay, so let's just do that quickly to the previous one. Okay, so 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, so they are spaced out nicely. Let's just go back to the first ship, and what's our stop is at 1 for X. So we're going to increase the stop's X values as well by 2. So on the next ship it will be 3, and this is on the patrol script on the X value. And next one, patrol script, X value 5. Next one, 7, 9, 11, 13, 16, 13, and 15. Let's press play. Okay, I messed up something. Let's just see what's up here. So starting from the top one, I've got 0. So 0, 2, 4. Oh, I've got 2 on the 2. Okay, I'm going to delete one of these because I've got 2 with the X value set to 2. And let's press play. Okay, that looks kind of better, but something's weird still going on. Okay, so they're all spaced up properly, but now I think my X value on my stops is not right, so let's start from the beginning. So 1, 3, oh, there we go. That should be 5. Next one, 7, 9, 11. It has a compounding effect or ripple effect. Okay, good. Okay, that looks great. And now I can move the camera centered. Well, this is basically the center and it looks kind of centered. Let's leave it at that and let's move the ships a bit further up. Oh, oops. Select all my ships. So to select all, you click the top one, hold down shift and click the last one. And I'm going to move the Y here. It seems like it wanted to move the actual stops. You know what, that's actually a bad idea, because if I press play now, it's going to move diagonally. Okay, bad idea. I'm going to undo that. So just make sure you have your ships on the correct Y axis when you start out. So what I can do actually, instead of moving the ships, I'll just move the camera down. So, and now my ships will be at the top. And something weird is going on with this last one now. What did I do? Just going to copy the Y value for one of the other ships and paste it in there, and that should be fine. Okay, that looks good. I think it's a bit too much to the right, but that's okay. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna leave it till that, like that. And in the next video, we'll get him to shoot us some projectiles, and I'll add in the main player as well. Okay, until then, enjoy.